Yeah, we're just giving out free food.
Right on.
Yeah. How long have you been living out here?
Almost 2 years.
2 years? Oh, how is it like out here?
It's sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's not. It's cold.
Yeah.
There was more tents here yesterday, but they took them down.
Yeah, I heard they're taking down the tents now because of the cold weather.
Yeah.
Is there a lot of crime around here?
No.
No?
No.
Where's all the other people at?
Everybody knows everybody.
Everybody knows everybody?
Tents today too.
They took tents today too? How many?
2 of them.
2 of them?
Yeah.
Are you staying out here in a tent?
Yeah.
Okay, that one right there?
Yeah.
Wow. What does it look like inside?
Inside?
Yeah.
Terrible.
Terrible? Is it cool if I take a look real quick?
Go ahead.
Come on, let's go. This is yours right here?
Door doesn't shut, so.
You got a barbecue and everything. God damn. You're pretty crafty with it. Come. It's just you living in here?
Me and the cat.
Oh, you and the cat. Wow. Wow, come in. Come. This is crazy. So you don't have any heating or anything like that?
Huh?
You don't have any heating or anything like that?
No. I
Wow.
got a stove, but I ran out of propane.
You ran out of paint.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for showing me the inside of your place.
Warm, yeah, clean it up. Just kidding.
No, you don't have to clean it up, man. It looked pretty clean, to be honest. For a place that's outside like this, it's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Get another sandwich?